Then the second step in Corel Painter is to go File, Quick Clone. The difference between clone and quick clone is this. Clone makes a manual copy of the original. So I go File, Clone, and I get an exact duplicate of the original with computer mapping back to the original. And that is good for being able to turn on tracing paper, which you can't see because this is an exact duplicate. But once you start painting in the clone, you will be able to turn on tracing paper and see the original for reference. That's not what we're doing right now. What we're going to do right now is we are going to go File, Quick Clone. And this is sort of the automatic version versus the manual version. And what this does is this completely clears anything in the painting and it turns on tracing paper. It also chooses a cloner brush for you, and it also closes the image that you're cloning from. So if I turned off tracing paper, Command T on Mac, Control T on Windows, this is what the image actually looks like. And if you printed it right now, it would print out blank. And if I turn on tracing paper, this is a ghost of the image to use for guidance.